comprehensive guide to renewing vehicle registration in Alberta. In Alberta, vehicle registrations expire based on an assigned month correlating with your surname. It's essential to renew your registration before the expiry date to avoid legal complications. As of the 1st of January, 2021 expiry stickers are no longer required on license plates. To renew your vehicle registration, you will need proof of valid insurance or a current pink card demonstrating valid Alberta liability insurance in the names appearing on the vehicle registration, a valid driver's license, or another form of government-issued photo ID, the previous registration certificate or license plate number. Online renewals are only accessible if there are no changes to your registration information, for example, address or name changes, and requires a verified alberta.ca account. Necessary documents include your vehicle registration certificate, insurance details, and a credit card for payment. In-person renewal requires a visit any authorized Alberta registry agent. Bring your driver's license, proof of insurance, and vehicle registration certificate. Mail-in renewal need to complete the general mail-in renewal form, include the insurance declaration and signatures from all registrants, and provide payment via check or money order. Use this option only if your registration expires in 30 days or more to allow time for mailing. The cost for vehicle registration fees in Alberta vary based on the type of vehicle and may vary from registry agents. Cars registration renewal of $93 for 1 year and $173 for 2 years. Motorcycles registration renewal of $54 for 1 year and $99 for 2 years. An additional electric vehicle (EV) tax may apply, starting at $200. Off-highway vehicles registration renewal of $54.45. Trailers, $163. One-time registration fee. Antique vehicles, $39.45 one-time fee. You got pulled over and your vehicle registration is not renewed. Driving with an expired vehicle registration in Alberta is illegal and can result in fines. If your registration is lapsed, if you haven't renewed your vehicle registration for a year or more, you must bring the bill of sale, lease agreement, or proof of ownership to be able to renew the registration. Do not drive. Avoid driving the vehicle until the registration is renewed to prevent fines or penalties. Renew promptly. You can renew your registration at any time, even if it is lapsed. There is no additional late fee for renewing after the expiration date. However, driving without valid registration is subject to fines. Ensure all outstanding fines or penalties are cleared before attempting to renew your registration, as unresolved fines can prevent the renewal process. By adhering to these guidelines, you can maintain compliance with Alberta's vehicle registration laws and avoid potential legal issues. Subscribe if you like topics like this so you can stay informed and have basic knowledge on how to do it yourself with Alberta registries. Hit the like button as well, and feel free to share this video. Comment below if you have any question or topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.